Did you know that the smallest bird is a bee hummingbird? Wonderful, isn't it? Welcome to the show. The yellow-crowned woodpecker, Leiopicus mahrattensis, or Mahratta woodpecker, is a species of small-pied woodpecker found in the Indian subcontinent. It is the only species placed in the genus Leiopicus. Upper parts black, heavily spotted and barred white. Underparts dark, streaked dingy white with red belly patch. Irregular brown cheek and neck patches. Female has yellowish crown and nape. In male, nape scarlet and fore-crown yellow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Will you please share with friends, and can I look for you soon? Bye for now. Thank you.